Hi YouTubers, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today, nothing glamorous, it's just another random Saturday except for the fact that we are going back to school in our county on Monday. So I've got a lot of random things going on, lots of last minute things to pull together. Let me just show you little bits and pieces of what I'm doing today. Hey Lukey baby, come here, Luke. And here is a random picture of Luke. He is doing so good. He is doing so well. He's got a little bit more of the gray and white fur around the nose and the eyes. He's getting a little older, but you know, he is doing great. Out here enjoying the sunshine with me today as I work on laundry. So I've got kids' laundry here. I've got Elka's laundry I'm pulling out right now. And I'm going to hand this to her to put away. She is very, very good at doing her clothes and putting things away. And then I've got all the boys' things in here, the younger boys. Now this is not my teenagers because he is old enough to do it himself. And then I also have my work clothes in this dryer over here that I need to take out. Thank goodness for Wrinkle Shield, right? Because I just can't get to all the clothes in time before they would start wrinkling otherwise. And here is Lucky, but he is a little bit camera shy. He just walked up and wanted to take a little snack, but evidently we are bothering him by coming up to video him. He's really not keen on that. Hi, Lucky. And I am hard boiling some eggs for snacks later. There are 18 eggs in here. My kids will snack on these off and on throughout the next few days. Another big thing that I've been working on for about the last week and a half is school supply shopping and organizing. This is for mostly right now my three youngest children. My teenager is going to be a senior in high school, and his teachers have some very specific needs and requests for their supplies. They will get their lists on the first day. We'll look at his syllabus, see what he needs, and do some last minute shopping. But this is basically right now youngest elementary child, older elementary child, middle schooler, and this is only part of what they need. This is just what I have collected so far. Now, as you know, I'm a list maker, I'm a planner, I'm a frugal, thrifty person. I like to be organized. So I have got lists, and I have been watching the different sales going on at different stores. I have shopped from the Kroger Clicklist Pickup selection. I have also shopped, see, here's some boxes I've already opened. Here's some more boxes I have not opened yet. I've got some things from Office Max, OfficeDepot.com. They had some excellent sales online. I've also got some Amazon Prime things that I have ordered, and all of it was very organized. So this right here is my older elementary school child. This here is going to be my younger elementary school child, and this is my middle school child. And as you can see, I've had a bit of a system. I've got different colors of ink. I've got red, I've got yellow highlighter, I've got marking things out with pencil or black, because to me, it just made sense for me. Every time that I had something and I put it in their pile, I marked it off. So then I could see very easily what did I lack. And when that item would come on sale, I usually would find out through my email, because I'm on several email newsletters for different companies. They would send me their weekly ads, and I would say, hey, that item has hit a rock bottom price. I need to buy that this week with whatever other things were on sale. So it just kind of went from there. I've got a lot of things to go through, and my kids are really excited about that. Who doesn't love some new school supplies? So I'm going to be working on pulling all of that together. I still have another couple of things coming in the mail. I've got a special backpack that my high schooler has requested, and I ordered that on Amazon, got exactly what he wanted. And then I've got some different things. Some of these are for the kids individually. Some of these are classroom items that go donated to the classroom, such as the tissues and things like that. It's a big job, but it is very organized. I love to be organized, and it saves me some money. and it helps me to get exactly what they need and not run out on anything or not miss anything. I like to be thorough and complete and get everything that they need. So tell me if you have children or grandchildren, nieces, nephews, friends that you help to buy for school supplies and things. Do you have any special strategies? And I know a lot of people prefer just to go to one store and get it all done. I have done that in the past when I was really crunched for time. I would just take my sheets, my school supply list, and one year I went to Target on my lunch break and I got in and out, got every single thing on all of my pages of the kids' school supply list, got checked out, got back to work in under an hour. That was like a personal best. But this year, I did a lot more shopping online. I really thought that I could just save myself some time this year if I just did it in bits and pieces and still be frugal about it. So there you go. Love to see what you guys have to say about school supply shopping. Leave your comments below. Hit subscribe. That's how I'm doing it.